Get noticed in this 2006 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for, with a reliable engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.